6 o'clock for Ashe, Avery, Watauga, and the northern foothills here of Burke and Caldwell counties. Those winds will be gusting, and so we're already seeing some sustained winds around 15 to 20 miles per hour for our mountain communities. Across the rest of the region, winds are generally light, but that cold front is getting closer to the 85 corridor. Once it passes south, we'll see winds out of the northwest about 10 to 15 miles per hour across the Piedmont. Now, gusts here around 30 miles per hour this morning in the mountains. We'll see those gusts get up towards 40 miles per hour in the early afternoon. That'll be peak here with the winds for Boone and across the high country. As we move towards 3 o'clock, we'll still have some of those 30 to 35 mile per hour gusts, but winds will be dying down through the evening as that cold front settles further south. Now, highs today will be reaching the low 70s for much of the area, so cooler than yesterday, but still near average for much of the Piedmont. 73 in Charlotte and Rock Hill, 71 for Shelby. In the foothills, we'll see the temperatures reach the mid to upper 60s, and across the mountains, we already saw the warmest part of the day, mid 50s here, so expect those temperatures to slide slowly here over the next few hours. Now, overnight lows will be falling into the low to mid 40s. You may be able to get away without the jacket this morning if you're in the Charlotte region, getting out for some activities if you have the day off. Tomorrow morning, you need to bundle up, maybe even time to bring out the winter jacket, because it is going to be cold here for your day, especially with this drier air that is going to be settling in. For the mountains, temps will be falling back into the 30s with a little bit of a breeze. May not see as much frost, but that patchy frost will be more likely as we move towards midweek. Tomorrow's highs won't be getting out of the 60s for much of the region. In the mountains, we're talking 40s and 50s for those highs tomorrow, so well below average across the area. And it's all about how it feels. So with that breeze tomorrow morning, going to be feeling like the low 30s for our mountain communities, low to mid 40s across the Piedmont. We got that chilly air that will remain in place, and with the winds whipping here in the mountains, it'll feel like the low 40s through much of the day. Coldest air arriving by Wednesday morning. This is where it'll feel like the low 20s in the mountains, and those overnight lows here with the wind making it feel like the mid to upper 30s across the Piedmont. For that freeze factor forecast here in the mountains, there is a high likelihood of seeing a freeze as we move into Thursday, with some of those temperatures here lingering below 32 through the end of the week for our mountain community.